Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Terabox subscription. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first method is to open up our Google Play Store app. So go ahead and open that up and then click onto your account, the top right hand corner of the page. Then from here we need to go to payments and subscriptions. From here, click into subscriptions and then go ahead and cancel your Terabox subscription if you subscribed via the app. Now, if you're on an iPhone or iPad, just go ahead and open up the settings app, tap on your Apple ID name at the top, select subscriptions, locate Terabox in the list and tap on it, then tap cancel subscription and confirm your choice. Alright, so if you subscribed via the website, so from terabox.com directly, you need to go to their website. So from here, go to terabox.com and then we need to go ahead and log in, then log into your account. And then from here, navigate to account settings and then locate the subscription section. From there, simply click on cancel subscription and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. Now, after cancellation, you should get a confirmation, and yeah, you should receive a confirmation email. Now, you want to keep this for your records. And also, we need to talk about timing. So ensure you cancel at least 24 hours before your next billing cycle to avoid being charged for the subsequent month.